Let's use Miro for our team's planning session to see the power of collaboration in action. We've already brainstormed some initial ideas in our working board, so we won't have to start from scratch.
Ooh, damn, that board's a little...
Yeah, looks like our divergent thinking was a bit too divergent, and that board definitely shows it. That's awesome though, sometimes that's appropriate. But for a planning session with the broader team, we should add a bit more structure. Let's do it. We'll arrange our existing notes and ideas into the relevant frames like project goals, scope, success metrics, and so on. This will help our teammates follow our thought process and create a natural structure for the session. We'll turn these frames into slides so it's easier to present them, and use tables or timelines to organize our proposed plans in a clear, structured way. Let's also embed relevant resources like project charters, OKRs, and org charts directly into our slides. We'll bring these in as synced copies so that everyone has easy access to essential information, but cannot make changes to the originals from this board. Think about that. Everything we need for the session is now right here, and it's up to date by default. As a last step, let's lock down frames or objects that we don't want anyone to edit. This way, things won't get moved around accidentally. Nice, much better. We're ready to collaborate. We'll record a talk track to prepare our teammates for the session and share relevant background information and encourage them to contribute their initial ideas, feedback, or insights asynchronously in the relevant frames. Including this pre-work activity before the session will lead to a more meaningful and focused discussion during the session. Our amazing teammates have completed their pre-work, so we're ready to start our planning session. We'll start with a presentation to set the right context before jumping into collaborative activities. Let's make sure to use the Bring Everyone to Me feature and tools like the timer to direct the team's focus, and encourage the use of reactions and emojis for a lively and dynamic discussion. We'll bring in interactive widgets like dot voting and alignment scale for moments of active collaboration, so everyone can participate and we can reach decisions faster. When it's time to wrap up, we can go to Miro AI to quickly create actionable next steps. Miro empowers us to design and host collaborative sessions that are focused, efficient, and truly engaging. It's about facilitating a structured and interactive process that fosters alignment, drives progress, and helps us achieve our objectives together.
Oh, hi, didn't see you there.
Oh, hello, thanks. That's so nice of you to eavesdrop on my board. I'm in the middle of filming. Thanks.
Right?